Perebakan flu burung di Amerika Serikat membuat kebun binatang di berbagai kota bersiaga. Di kebun binatang Lincoln Park di kota Chicago, negara bagian Illinois, burung yang tadinya berada di kandang terbuka dipindahkan.
We are along one of the flyways, the migratory flyways, and some of our birds are exposed to wild birds, so we brought them all inside. So that includes our waterfowl, our Chilean flamingos, African penguins, and some of our birds of prey. We know that it peaks during migration season as you're having birds that are moving from wintering grounds to their summer grounds. There are peaks at that time. We're hoping that it will subside as those migratory species make their way to their summer grounds.
Di Des Moines, negara bagian Iowa, kebun binatang Blank Park juga memindahkan burung yang tadinya ada di kandang terbuka ke dalam ruangan.
We do test any wild bird that has died while on zoo grounds. So if a bird is found on zoo grounds, then we would test that bird.
Staf kebun binatang juga menyanitasi sepatu sebelum memasuki kandang burung. Langkah serupa dilakukan di peternakan unggas di penjuru AS, termasuk peternakan ayam petelur milik keluarga Hilliker dekat San Diego, negara bagian California ini.
So we always do the foot baths. We always make sure vehicles get clean before they come into the bird area.
Ancaman flu burung diakui Frank semakin menekan peternak ayam yang sudah tertekan akibat tingginya laju inflasi.
My feed is up over 100%. So I'm paying over double for what I was paying for a couple of years ago. Fuel's up 40%. Packaging is up, depending on the packaging, 25%. Labor, 10 to 15%. So the way we deal with it is we're tied to the market and the eggs that we sell. So first of all, we hope that the market is going to be high enough to cover those costs.
Tapi efek berantai yang terjadi, konsumen yang berhemat mengurangi konsumsi telur.
Egg consumption has slowed down. Some of our biggest stores that would take 2-3 pallets of eggs a week, you figure there's 900 dozen on a pallet, are down to like just taking 1 pallet a week because they've gotten so high.
Menurut catatan sejumlah pemerintah negara bagian dan federal AS yang dihimpun kantor berita Reuters, flu burung telah menyebabkan kematian sekitar 19 juta ayam petelur. Akhir April, Pusat Pengendalian Penyakit AS atau CDC mengonfirmasi adanya penularan pertama virus flu burung atau H5N1 kepada manusia, yaitu seorang warga negara bagian Colorado, yaitu narapidana yang bekerja di peternakan unggas. Tapi menurut CDC belum saatnya untuk khawatir karena baru terjadi penularan mereka yang memang bekerja dekat unggas. Dari Washington DC, saya Nova Purwadi dan tim VOA.